Hello, kids! Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin! Matt the dog. I have a dog. His name is Matt. My dog is big. My dog is brown. Your turn.